Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem. So let's get into the class. Now I will write the problem statement. So first of all, the user need to take user input n, and also user need to take an array of size n size n uh, size n, and user need to take n user inputs, and user need to print the values in an array where odd numbers, so on first line, and even numbers on the second line. So this is the problem statement, which means, for example, take n is equal to 7. Take n is equal to 7. So I will take IRR as 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 7, and 6. 6. So what are the odd numbers here? So 5, 3, 7. So 5, 3, 7 are the odd numbers. So the odd numbers will be printed on the first line. So this is the first line. And in the second line, so what you have to print? You have to print the even numbers. So which is 4, 6, 2, and for example, here I'll take 8. So 4, 6, and 8. 4, 6, and 4, 6, 2, and 8. So this is how you have to print. So this is the output. This is the output. So easy, right? So it is an easy problem. Just you have to print the first line as even numbers, sorry, odd numbers, and second line you have to print the even numbers. That's it. I hope you understand the problem statement. And if you understand the problem statement and if you can write the code on yourself, then please pause the video here and please try it. Please try it and execute the program. And if you get the answer, like if you get the output, that's fine. And if you don't get the output, don't worry. I will explain it in this class. So please try it. Please try it by your own. If you get it, it's good. If you don't get it, I will definitely explain in this class. You can unpause this video and you can watch the recording. Like you can continue with the video. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's get into the class. So let's write the problem statement. Let's write the problem statement. So import java.util.start. Let scanner sc is equal to system.in. So now here I will take n is equal to sc dot next int, and here I will take array is equal to new int, and for int I is equal to 0, I less than I plus plus, and AR of I is equal to sc dot next int. So next int. So we got an array of size n, and we have inserted the user values into the array. User values into the array. So now I have to print the odd numbers. So odd numbers, right? So I have to go on to the array by using for loop. I will go to until n, and each time I will increment by 1. And here I will check if AR of I not mod 2 not equal to 0, then it is a odd numbers, right? So when AR of I means, so whatever the values which is given by user, so those values I'm checking if that number is not divisible by 2, then it's an odd number, right? So we have to print the odd numbers on the same line. So that's why I'm writing only print. So I just have to print the AR of I. AR of I, and with each value I want some space in between them. So that's why I'm giving the double quotes and a space in between them. And I will just copy this thing again. So now, so we want the next thing in the next line, right? So this for loop is for odd numbers. So this for loop is for odd numbers. So we have printed the odd numbers, but for the even numbers, I have to print on next line, right? I have to print on next line. So for next line, you have to write system dot. For going to the next line, you have to write the system dot println, system dot out dot println. So it will come to the next line now. So I will just copy paste the same, copy paste the for loop, same thing. But I will change the one condition here, not equal to, like I will remove the not equal to and I will just add equal to. So if any number which is divided by 2, that is a even number, right? So I have to print the even numbers. I have to print the even numbers. So that's it. Problem is completed. Easy problem. So first of all, we have taken n and array of size n. So I have given the user inputs into the array. Like I'm giving the user inputs to the array of size n. So for this thing, I'm using this for loop. And after that, I'm going on to that array, each and every value by using for loop, and I'm checking AR of I, which means every value will be based on the index, right? So that's why I'm going on the index value. When I is equal to what is the value? When I is equal to 1, what is the value? So I'm checking each and every value that if any number which is not divisible by 2. So then that number is that number is an odd number. So that I have to print it. So I'm printing the odd number here. And after that, so after printing the odd numbers, I have to print the even numbers on the next line. So for the next line, I'm printing like I'm writing the statement system.out.println. So it will come on to the next line. In the next line, I will print the even numbers with the condition as AR of I mod 2 equal to 0. So any number which is divisible by 2, then it give the 0, and I'm printing the AR of I. So I hope you understand. Just run it. So here I will give 7, and I will give the what is the error? 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 7, 8. So what is the output? First line should be 537, and second line should be, see here, I'm comment this. So first line should be 437, sorry, 537, and second line should be 4628. So let's give enter here. See 537, 537, 4628, 4628. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So which is very easy to write. I hope you understand. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Please ring the bell icon. Then only you get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.